Namaste friends. Today fourth shloka of Shri Lingashtakam. कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्. कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं, the lingam which is decorated by gold and precious pearls. Phanipati-veshtita shobhita lingam, which is surrounded by the king of serpents. Dakshasuyajna Vinashana Lingam, which destroyed the big sacrifice of King Daksha. Daksha was the father of Dakshayani, who was Shiva's wife. Once he did the big sacrifice but denied to honor Shiva. So Dakshayani entered the fire. Shiva got angry and sacrificed. Tat pranamami sada Shivalingam. I bow to that Shivalingam which is eternal and auspicious. ಬಂಗಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಮುತ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ಅಲಂಕೃತವಾದ, ಸರ್ಪಗಳ ರಾಜನಿಂದ ಸುಶೋಭಿತನಾದ, ದಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಯ ಯಜ್ಞವನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿದ ಲಿಂಗರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.